The coconut tree, also known as Kalpavriksha, is undeniably a tree of life, as every part of it is useful in one way or the other. India is the world's largest producer of coconuts, as we enjoy the most appropriate climate for its cultivation. The coconut palm is found to grow under varying climatic and soil conditions. It is essentially a tropical plant growing on latitudes up to 1000 meters height from sea level. However, a rainfall of about 2000 mm per year, well distributed throughout, is ideal for proper growth and maximum production. Coconut is propagated through seedlings raised from selected seed nuts. Here, the coconuts are plucked from selected palms in a careful and systematic manner to use as seeds. Here, the seed is planted on a specially prepared bed in the soil. The seeds can be planted in two ways, vertically and horizontally. Once it becomes a seedling, it is easy to transport the vertically planted ones. Once the seedlings are ready, it should be given proper care till the time of planting. Here, the weeds are destroyed as they suck up most of the nutrients from the soil. Farmers adopt suitable plant protection measures to manage pests and diseases. Essential amount of water is also required for the seedlings. After 1 year, these seedlings matures. The best grown seedlings are chosen for replanting. The coconut palms are planted in pits. The size of the pit depends upon the soil. In loamy soil, pits of 1 meter length, 1 meter width and 1 meter depth is recommended. If it is laterite soil with underlying hard strata, 1.2 meter is required in length, width and depth. The pit should be filled with a mixture of topsoil, sand, neem cake and cow dung to a height of 50 cm below the ground level. While planting, the distance between the plant is very important. In square planting system, 7 to 9 meter difference is required in rows and between the rows. The triangular planting system recommends 5 to 6 meter difference in rows and 9 to 10 meter difference between the rows. This wider spacing is good for mixed farming. The proper timing for planting is at the advent of monsoon. However, under assured irrigation, planting can be taken up at any time. It is essential that the palms are manured regularly and systematically every year. Manuring should be done in such a way that the tree should annually receive 500 grams of nitrogen, 320 grams of phosphorus and 1200 grams of potash. In the case of young trees, the nutrient dose should be given at the rate of 1/10 of the adult dose during the 3rd month after planting. Then 1/3 dose during 2nd year, 2/3 dose on 3rd year and full dose from the 4th year onwards. Adequate quantity of organic manure such as compost, farmyard manure, green leaves are to be supplemented with a recommended dose of fertilizers, which is the best manurial combination for a coconut palm. In coconut growing states where annual rainfall is less than 1000 mm, economic production of coconut is possible only under irrigation. Drip irrigation is the most efficient method and is now being practiced extensively. Coconut husk with its spongy fibrous structure is good at absorbing and retaining 6 times their weight of water and hence could be used in the palm garden as a water reservoir and a moisture conservator. The coconut palms are classified into 2 groups, the tall and the dwarf. The dwarf commences to yield in the 3rd year after planting. And tall yields in the 6th year of planting. The tall varieties, West Coast tall and East Coast tall, are generally cultivated in India. Malayan orange, Malayan yellow, Malayan green, Chowgat orange, Chowgat green, Ganga Bondam are the dwarf varieties cultivated in India.